Acing an exam, winning a game, landing your dream job, or closing that life-changing deal for your startup. There's so much we desire, so much we dream of. But are you feeling stuck?
Hi, and welcome back to our channel Fresh Earth Living. For those who are new here, I am Meenu, your friendly wellness advisor. Your brain doesn't know the difference between imagining success and actually experiencing it. Do you also daydream? Today, I'm going to show you how visualizing your goals is a powerful tool that rewires your brain. It builds your confidence and gets you closer to your goals in life. What is visualization? Sounds like a fancy trick, I know. It's actually something you have already done, maybe without realizing it. Visualization is imagining a future event or goal so clearly that it feels real. Let's understand it with an example. Think of athletes. Olympic swimmers are known to rehearse their races mentally, imagining every stroke or turn. Studies have shown that this kind of mental practice can improve their performance almost as much as physical training. That's the power of visualization. Visualization isn't magic. It's not wishing for something to happen. If you sit back and think, I'm going to be rich, but don't actually do anything, well, good luck to you. Visualization works because it prepares your brain and body to take action. It's like a mental rehearsal. When you visualize doing something like, say, giving an award-winning speech or scoring a game-winning goal, your brain lights up in the same areas as if you're actually doing it. It releases dopamine. Dopamine makes you feel good and encourages you to take action towards that goal. In other words, visualization creates that craving to make the imagined success a reality. It helps you build confidence. It reduces your stress and it makes you stay focused on your goals. Let's look at the example of Michael Phelps, the most decorated Olympian in history. Every night before bed, he would close his eyes and mentally swim his perfect race, from the dive to the turns to the final stretch. So when he got to the actual race, it felt like he had already done it 1,000 times. That mental preparation helped him stay calm and focused, even under immense pressure. Visualization is a game-changer technique in the world of business too. Top CEOs and entrepreneurs use it to prepare for big presentations or decisions. This mental rehearsal builds confidence, also helps them anticipate and handle tricky situations. Think about practicing success before it happens. Whether you're preparing for an exam, starting a fitness journey, or chasing a personal dream, visualization can give you the focus and drive that you need. If they can do it, why not you? Time to get practical now. The technique of visualization isn't complicated at all. You can start doing it right now in 4 simple steps, and it only takes a few minutes a day. Start with a clear goal. You have to be very clear about what you want. Do not have vague goals like, I want to be successful. Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to be fit, say, I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by working out 3 times a week. If your goal is to run a marathon, think about the exact race, the date, and how you want to feel when you cross that finish line. If it's nailing an interview, imagine the job title, the company, and how you want the conversation to go. Be as detailed as possible. Next, close your eyes and create a mental movie of yourself achieving that goal. Picture every step of the process, not just the end result. Say you're preparing for a big speech. Instead of only imagining the applause at the end, start with walking onto the stage, feeling the microphone in your hand, hearing your voice fill the room, and seeing the audience nodding along. Play this movie in your mind as if it's happening right now. If you're dreaming about getting into your dream college, visualize the late night study sessions, the practice tests, and even the nerves before the big exam. When you focus on the process, your brain gets ready for the effort it takes to achieve the goal. Then, use all your senses. Don't just see it, feel it, hear it, even smell it if you can. If your goal is to win a tennis match, imagine the sound of the ball hitting the racket, the feel of the sweat on your face, and the smell of the fresh cut grass on the court. Be as vivid and real as you can. The more real you can get, the stronger the impact it will have on your brain. Finally, make visualization a part of your daily routine. 5 to 10 minutes a day are enough. It's best to do it in the morning as it can then set the tone for the rest of your day. Be practical though. Visualization sets the stage, but it is you who ultimately has to act. You can't just imagine something and then sit back and wait for it to happen. Visualization is like planting a seed. Effort is the water that it needs to grow. Start small. Take just 5 minutes today. Close your eyes and picture your biggest goal. See it, feel it, believe it, and then take one small step toward making it real. I would love to hear what you are visualizing. Drop a comment below and tell me the first thing you're going to work on. Let's make it happen together. I visualize myself getting a lot of likes on this video. It's up to you to make it happen for me. Remember, your dreams are closer than you think. If you can see it in your mind, you can achieve it in your real life. Please subscribe to our channel Fresh Earth Living. Until next time, I am Meenu and see you again.